My name is Eduardo Dotel, and in this video we will cover the installation and maintenance guide for the project LMS app on Facebook. The development environment uses Windows 10, Mac OS, Visual Studio Code, MySQL Workbench, Node.js, and NPM, which also comes with Node.js as default, as well as the Angular client, which you can install on the command line using the provided instructions. Also, you need to generate SSL keys and certificates and replace them in SSL folders in both of the repositories for backend and front end. One of the issues that I came across this application was that the SSL key resulted in being too small. I found a resource that kind of resolves this by, instead of putting password to be X, I put the password to be GSAHDG. Access to the project's source code is found in a zip file containing the source code which will be provided. Simply extract the project folder into the development environment in both backend and front-end root folders. Next, run npm install either on terminal or git bash on Windows to get the project dependencies. In order to get access to Heroku, create two GitHub repositories for front-end and back-end. Then create two new applications with Heroku. In the back-end application, install the ClearDB MySQL add-on. In both apps, create a web dyno with command npm start. Update the source code files in the front end with the updated API URLs with your front end and back end Heroku app URLs respectively. For database access, install MySQL Workbench version 6.3. Then connect your ClearDB database made in step 4. Then follow the instruction provided in the links. Import all of the SQL files and run all of its queries if you have not done so yet. In order to set up a Facebook app access, set up a Facebook app at developers.facebook.com in settings, then go to the basics section. Your app domain should include your front-end URL for your Heroku application, the back-end URL for the Heroku application, and localhost in order to test the development environment. At the bottom of the settings, click Add Platform. Then on the Page tab, enter your Heroku front-end URL in the Secure Page tab URL. Note that your Facebook does not need to add the Facebook login product. Login functionality is done through npm packages on the client-side application. Then copy the app ID and replace the old one in the app.component.ts file in the front-end repository. In order to run the project for the front end before running either for development or production, the HTTP list center must be configured correctly. See the comments at the bottom of the server.js file and just comment out the listener you're not using. For development environment, simply run the application using the ngserve command. And for production, the application will run on Heroku. For the backend, In development mode, run it using npm run dev command. For production, it will be running on Heroku using the web dynos we made previously. This has been the installation guide for the LMS app on Facebook version 6.0. Thank you.